What's going on, y'all? It's your boy K1K and we back in this thing, baby. You guys been following my Instagram. You guys got a chance to see that Arya was going through some things in a good way. So you can see that we got all those parts installed on the bike, and now she is officially ready to lay the smack it down on the, hopefully, you know what I'm saying. I think I'll do good in the heavyweight division out here, but so far so good, man. I got one little test ride in earlier before, and air fuels were a little rich, so we're touching up, optimizing as best we can on the streets right now. It's hot as all get out here, and so this ain't gonna be a real long video, but right now it's 106, so obviously this isn't ideal weather, but it's better than rain and all that other crap, so we take what we can get out here. So just gonna do some test runs. Hopefully the Woolers lockbox record this time. Last time it only recorded like the first few minutes of the ride, and that was like me getting to the highway and stuff like that. So didn't really do what we needed it to do, and then my phone was in the way of the mount, so I couldn't get use the GoPro footage for him to kind of look at. So this time I took the mount off, you guys can see. So we'll go out there, get after it a little bit, hopefully get some good data and make some adjustments, and we'll go from there. Plus, you know, I still got to mess with this quick shifter, get this dialed in a little bit. It's all right now, and you can see I am strapped. I don't have the bike like super pulled down in the front, but it is strapped. But you know, so we'll see what's up. I'll tighten the steering damper down once we get out there on the highway. But yeah, other than that though, so far so good. The bike feels so nimble with this weight taken off of it. It's crazy. Definitely a big difference in the bike, weight wise. You can feel it. Like before, it took some force to pick this heavy beast up. You know, Arya, please forgive me, you know what I'm saying. But yeah, it took some force, but now it's definitely comparable to John's bike. You know, we have very similar modifications, so you know, now he has a carbon fiber 7 tech front wheel and everything. I'm still on stock wheels for now, and honestly I'm probably gonna go with Core Moto Apex 6 wheels, the forged aluminiums, as a 650 would say, over the carbon fiber. Just seeing too many different things that's scaring me from getting carbon fiber, and you know, the type of stuff and riding that I do is already not, you know what I'm saying, the best or whatever. So I don't want to have a worry in the back of my mind that there might be a parts failure, you know what I'm saying. And if that happens out on the road, man, you can imagine that that's definitely a wreck if it breaks all the spokes off or the wheel has a major failure while you're riding. So it's one less thing to worry about. So I'm gonna do some more research on it before I make a decision on that, but right now it's looking towards Core Moto Apex 6 wheels. I just need to debate on the color. I thought I was 100% sold on gloss black, but now I'm like, man, that gloss red would probably be pretty butter on here since I have the KRT graphics and stuff. So let me know below what you guys think on that, if I should go gloss black or gloss red. Oh yeah, boy. Oh, this thing, it feels crazy. This thing feels crazy, man. And I know y'all probably like, dang, it's 106 and you got jacket, gloves, boots. Man, I definitely do. I don't have my leather on. I have my perforated air jacket textile, and it's still blazing out here, y'all. It ain't no joke. So definitely make sure when y'all riding out in weather like this that y'all hydrate, man. Even if you don't need to fill up, stop every now and then, go to the gas station and murder you a Gatorade or whatever you need to do, whatever your drink of choice is, water, you know, whatever it takes. Make sure y'all stay hydrated, man. Don't get dehydrated out here in these streets. So another thing I did, I sat on that HP4. We talked about the tuck game on that. Man, that seat lets you feel like you up in that tank. And I know the tank obviously designed on the HP4 is different, but being, you know, I'm tall, I'm a big wind cell, man. I'm 6'4", so I need to be able to get tucked in there, man. So I ended up buying a seat, OEM like replacement seat on eBay for a 5th gen. Fits pretty good. You just gotta drill out the bushings a little bit, you know, wider, so that way they'll fit over the post better. But I got some cosplay 5mm thick foam. I'm gonna take all the crap off and I'm gonna just put a little small foam thing on there, see how it is, and you know, we'll see what's up. Okay. Well, we'll see what the air fuels look like. And the little second gear hits all the way through. Hopefully they can record that, or hopefully the Woolish box record it. See what it did. We'll do another couple hits back on the way over there and see what's up. And ideally, I would like to do a 4th gear pull. So if I have the space, I'm gonna do that and let it rip and see kind of what it's doing. Hopefully, it's a little more lean than what it was before. Because there were some spots with dipping to the 11s, but that's why you got to go on the street, because the dyno's not going to duplicate street conditions. So you can check it on the other side too and go from there. Up a little bit and we should be good. Yeah, it's a little lean now, so we'll richen it up just a little bit and I think we can call that gooch. Go in a second, boy. Oh man, this thing is a monster, guys. Boy, it's a monster. Oh yeah, I just gotta get used to the shift points and everything and how fast everything comes up now. As far as accelerating through the gears, it's like quick, boy. It is quick. So once I get used to that and you know, shifting, anticipating the shift points and everything, I think we're gonna be in there. But she feels, despite the super hot, disrespectful Texas heat out here, Arya feels very, very, very nice. She feels like she was ready to do some damage on some boys. That's for sure. So I hope she keeps that energy up this weekend, because probably on Sunday or so we're gonna do another little ride with some friends, and then I'll be able to do some comparison on what she's like now compared to before. Racing some of the same bikes from last time, so it'll be a good comparison. You know, I'm the heavier rider still, but I do have a little more horsepower than these guys got, and for now I'm probably still going to run on E85 due to the fact that I you know, my 93 map hasn't been touched up on the street yet, so I don't want to go out and, you know, don't really know what it's going to do pretty much air fuel wise. So probably just stay on some E, which they're on 93, so I mean, kind of not, you know what I'm saying, the even comparison with fuel obviously, but I want to make sure the bike is straight before I end up just throwing a fuel on there after all these changes, different things in the airbox and everything, and just saying, all right, well, let's just ride with that. So that'll be the plan, and we'll run with that. But just in case that is it for the video, y'all, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your boy. Follow me on my social media platforms. Interact with me, I'll interact back. And just once again, thanks again for y'all support. Peace.